We talk in pride that we honor a day of immense significance in our nation's history. It was, sorry, it was on the very day in 1950 that the Constitution of India came into effect, making our country a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. This day reminds us of the values enriched in our Constitution: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Values that continue to guide our nation's path forward. On this occasion, let us take a moment to pay tribute to the great visionaries who drafted our Constitution. Led by the brilliant Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, their foresight laid the foundation for the democratic fabric of our country, ensuring that every citizen has equal rights regardless of caste, creed, gender, or religion. Republic Day is not merely a celebration, it is a moment for reflection. It compels us to elevate how far we have progressed as a nation and recognize the milestones yet to be achieved. India, with its rich diversity and vibrant democracy, has made significant strides in various fields. From being a global leader in space exploration, as demonstrated by ISRO's Chandrayaan missions and the recent docking of two SpaceX space docking experiment satellites in January 16, to emerging as a hub for technological innovation and startups, India has showcased remarkable potential. Progress in education is evident through transformative initiatives like the National Education Policy and the promotion of online digital platforms such as Diksha, Swayam, and e-Pathshala, e-PG Pathshala, which aim to make learning accessible to all. Additionally, infrastructure development is transforming cities and rural areas like through ambitious projects like the Smart Cities Mission, rural electrification, and expansion of digital connectivity to bridge the urban-rural divide. However, challenges like economic inequalities, poverty, and accessibility to education and healthcare remain challenges, particularly in rural and underdeserved regions. This is the befitting contest to remind ourselves of our collective responsibility to address these challenges by supporting inclusive policies, contributing to local communities, and fostering innovation for societal benefit. On the domestic front, our beloved state of Andhra Pradesh has showcased remarkable progress across the various sectors of welfare and development, notably in realm of higher education under the forwarding thinking leadership of the Commissioner and Director of Collegiate Education. Transforming measures have been introduced to improve both academic and extracurricular dimensions of student development. The adoption of ICT-based tools and the numerous capacity building programs for the faculty, besides widely popularizing MOOCs, have brought a revolutionary shift in higher education and emphasizing the holistic development of students, emphasizing self-learning and preparing them for well-rounded future. Coming to our college, Government College Autonomous Rajahmundry, the 170-year-old esteemed institution in the state of Andhra Pradesh, have been a beacon of quality education dedicated to nurturing students and shaping their future for over a century and a half. The college has witnessed exponential growth in terms of student strength in the last few years, and this year it has been on the top in the state in terms of admissions by securing more than 100% intake capacity. With its unwavering commitment and dedication to excellence, the college has emerged as a premier institution in the state, setting a benchmark of quality education and academic achievement. Academically, we are dedicated to continuous improvement, adopting innovative examination reforms powered by IT and artificial intelligence. The upcoming examination wing in Buddha Bhavan stands as a testament to our commitment to modernizing educational practices and ensuring
efficiency in academic processes. Additionally, the college website is undergoing a complete transformation to serve a comprehensive and integrated portal, encapsulating all activities of the institution and providing seamless access to information for students, faculty, and stakeholders. The addition of a new commerce block, construction of additional classrooms in Buddha Bhavan, development of an amphitheater, expansion of toilet facilities for students and staff, upgradation of laboratories, and the enhancement of the central instrumentation lab facilities across all science disciplines represent a significant infrastructure advancements. Furthermore, the establishment of the innovation and incubation underscores the college's commitment to fostering creativity and entrepreneurship. These developments are poised to facilitate the smooth and efficient functioning of the institution while providing an enriched learning environment for students and faculty alike. In this context, I express our heartfelt gratitude to Sri Ram Prasad Garu, MD, Hansa IT Solutions, Hyderabad, for his generous donation of a bus worth 36 lakhs. This thoughtful contribution has played a pivotal role in the successful implementation of the institution flagship programs High Glow and Sankalp, significantly enhancing its community outreach efforts and strengthening its commitment to social responsibility and inclusive development. Additionally, his significant contribution towards the establishment of the Innovation and Incubation Center on the college premises deserves a special mention, as it underscores his unwavering support for fostering innovation and entrepreneurial growth among the students. Thank you very much, Sir Ram Prasad Garu. As a part of infrastructural expansion, the institution has begun CRAWL.
CRAWL means Child Recreation and Wellness Lounge, to innovate, to guarantee access to reliable child care support for women and help them grow academically and professionally. To elevate our college to national prominence by securing the best grade in ensuring NAC and to improve our NRF ranking, we are actively working to enhance student diversity and strengthen our research ecosystem. Our registration and the Study in India initiative and support for various research projects reflect our dedication to academic excellence and innovation. Currently, we have 20 research projects, 19 under the College Board of Research Studies, 6 from last year and 13 from this year, and one prestigious project funded by the ICSR in the Telugu department. 125 research papers have been published this year, and reflects the research potential of the institution. Entrepreneurial and startup ventures such as Araku Coffee House, jute bag making, organic farming, mushroom cultivation, to mention a few highly successful and are in pipeline. Entrepreneurial and startup ventures such as Araku Coffee House, jute bag making, organic farming, mushroom cultivation, and ornamental fish culture, to mention a few, are highly successful and a few are in pipeline. The college takes pride to its 36 patents, which highlight our research capabilities and innovative spirit. We are determined to build upon these accomplishments with renewed vigor. As I reflect on our journey since assuming the role of a principal of this prestigious institution, I am deeply grateful to all our stakeholders, our dedicated faculty, diligent non-teaching staff, enthusiastic students, supportive parents, and the estimated officials of the Commissionerate of Collegiate Education. While in the list of individual, department, and committee achievements is extensive, and each accomplishment holds its own significance, I will limit myself to highlighting a few general milestones and select noteworthy achievements due to time constraints. Sorry. General achievements of the college. This year, 4 foreign students joined our college, making us the first government college in the state to offer admissions at the international level.
Dr. B. Nageshwari, lecturer in biotechnology, bagged the state level Best Teacher Award for 2024. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Best Teacher Awards 2024 are conferred on the teachers across the departments. The awardees are Dr. D.V.N. Sriramurthy, lecturer in mathematics, Dr. A. Srinivas Rao, lecturer in botany, Dr. T. Sri Narasimhamurthy, lecturer in chemistry, Srimati B. Durga Lakshmi, lecturer in physics, Dr. P.V.V. Sachinarayana, lecturer in commerce, Dr. R. Balaya, lecturer in economics, Dr. A. Rajeshwari, lecturer in English, and Sri B. Venkatarao, lecturer in chemistry, and Sri C.H. Sanjeev Kumar, lecturer in economics, bagged Dr. S.R.K. Award for outstanding contributions for the academic year 2023-24. Dr. B. N. Baby Nirmala, lecturer in chemistry for best startup support, Sri K. Venkatesh Rao, lecturer in physics for the best student support, Earn While Learn program, Arco Coffee House, Dr. J. Suresh, lecturer in chemistry as the best PRO, and Sri K. Babu, lecturer in charge zoology for the best administrative support, and Dr. D. Sanjeev Kumar, lecturer in physics for the best academic support for the academic year 2023-24 for the award winners. Dr. B. Mallikarjuna, lecturer in chemistry, bagged District Best Teacher Award 2024. 2040 students successfully completed short-term internships, and 830 students have completed their long-term internships in the 5th semester, and 1209 are doing their internships in their 6th semester across the organizations, industries, public sector units, IT reforms. My special thanks on this occasion goes to Y. Ramo, lecturer in physics, for meticulous efforts in disseminating the students different industries and public sector units and IT firms. Lecturers who were awarded PhDs in the last year include Dr. M. Santakumari, lecturer in chemistry, Dr. C.H. Rajni, lecturer in chemistry, Dr. N. Srinivas, lecturer in chemistry, and the college giving heartfelt thanks to these awardees. About 145 students got qualified in various common entrance examinations like PG, SET, CU SET, and also my special thanks to the Alumni Association in this regard. These 145 students have been felicitated by the Alumni Association, and I extend the same, I invite the same cooperation from the alumni on this junction. And departmental achievements, biotechnology, Kumari STVV Shushma from the Department of Biotechnology secured first track in AP PG set in the category of life sciences, and she joined University of Hyderabad for in life sciences. Conducted a 2-day workshop on basic genomics and informatics, received awards and accolades for faculty members and students. Paper publications and field trips to Horticulture Research Institution Kovuru or the assets of the department. Dr. K. Anusha delivered a guest lecture at GDC Mandapeta. And the botany department conducted workshop on bioinformatics 29th and 30th July in collaboration with BioCart India Private Limited, Bangalore. Celebrated ecological importance World Environment Day, and the department celebrated birthday anniversary of valiant and proud alumnus Sri Pandiripalli Srinivas, the Kirti Chakra Award winner and great proud alumnus of the college. Organized a field trip to Dr. YSR Horticulture and actively participates outreach programs in High Glow, sharing their lab resources to the students of ZPHS Narendrapuram, and publishes 1 patent, 4 books and 6 research articles. And chemistry conducted international conference IC Best 2024 sponsored by DST SERB with a 1.6 lakh, and Gale India 50,000 on November 7th and 8th 2024. The chemistry department published 22 research articles in Springer Nature Atlantis Press. It is one of the great achievements in uplifting the research of the institution. Congratulations to the department and convener of the IC Best. Department published more than 20 research publications and achieved admissions 72 seats in the Department of Chemistry. More than 100 LMS content generated by the faculty. 4 chemistry textbooks authorized by the faculty currently available on Google Play Books for sale. Observed commemoration thematic days on occasion of JE Kore's birthday, Mole Day and other days. Faculty members Dr. L. Rajeshwari and Dr. Sureka received patents and Sri B. Venkateshwar bagged Best Faculty Award in Annual Academic Fest from the college. And Commerce Department, I really appreciate the Commerce Department. It is one of the best department in the college. The BBS stream secured 3rd position in the nation of All India ranking IIRF Indian Institutional Ranking Framework, and the Commerce Department and the college stands 3rd position, and it is a great privilege to the college. Conducted 4 workshops and published 51 research papers, and students and staff completed various edX courses. And English Department, the Best Female Faculty Award bagged by Dr. A. Rajeshwari, lecturer in English in the Annual Academic Fest, and also many awareness programs and blood donation program is conducted, and also faculty and students published 25 papers in ISBN, ISN journals, UGC, care listed journals, besides 1 patent and a book, and conducted an international seminar titled From Text to Tongue, Exploring the Synergy of Language and Literature on 7/12/2024, and field trips have been conducted, and first BA Special English student bagged the prizes in different district level competitions. And Fine Arts Department conducted various competitions such as songs, dance, and one more extraordinary program by the Fine Arts Department is Avadhanam program. Conducted a workshop on Avadhanam 9/1/2025 in collaboration with the Telugu, Sanskrit and Hindi department, and also conducted a diploma by certificate course on Avadhanam with international collaboration. And Geology Department, all the students of 4th semester have successfully completed various SWAYAM courses. 2 students have joined PhD in Geology, and one of the best department in the state. No other college is having such a unique department, that is Geology Department. And congratulations goes, and 2 PhD students were joined, and Dr. N. Srinivasrao and Dr. Gautam published a book titled Multifaceted Manifestations and Petrogenic Provenance South India. The book was published by the reputed Lambert Academic Publishing House. And the Hindi department, Dr. K. Gautam presented a talk on Aluri Bairagi ke Cavitation Mene Vyakti Evam Samaj on 24th September 2024. And 5 students presented research papers at a national seminar at PO College. And Mathematics Department 8 paper publications and 1 field trip and 5 guest lectures and 2 skill-oriented certificate courses conducted. And Microbiology Department conducted workshop on mushroom culture, mushroom cultivating startup, guest lecture by Bharati and Government Medical College Rajahmundry. And Physics and Electronics Department, 19 research paper publications in Scopus by UGC Care journals, organized a national level student workshop, MATLAB, and 2 startups titled GCRJY L&L Elite Perfume preparations are initiated, organized educational tours, workshops and guest lectures by the students for their holistic department. And this department is having collaboration with Baba Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. Under that, we are going to conduct a 5-day radiation chemistry on their applications, a national level workshop from next month 3rd to 7th February. Congratulations to the Department of Physics and Electronics. And Sanskrit Department organized one international workshop on Avadhanam, and also Renuka got a first prize competitions held by SKR JDC Rajahmundry. Statistics, 3 research publications in Scopus and UGC journals, and conducted student workshop, And Telugu department, 16 research publications in UGC Care List. And Dr. Subbalakshmi, Dr. S. Priskila was selected as Kavana Kartika Awards organized by Andhra Kesari Sahitya Samiti. Congratulations to them. And Sri K.M. Soundaryavati bagged Sahiti Santakaram Award and also Telugu Kirti Purashkar. Congratulations to Dr. Soundaryavati. 3 faculty participated in World Telugu Conference as speakers and organized an international workshop on Avadhanam Kalavaibhavam. The Zoology Department organized Healing Hearts program for HIV positive children, published 2 international patents, published 3 papers in Scopus Index journals, organized a mega health camp for all teaching and non-teaching staff, started a new startup of ornamental fish culture. And congratulations to the Department of Zoology. And physical education. So this year we have got numerous awards from physical educations based on sports and games. Secured first place in Kho-Kho women category in the competition held at SSRG CPE Gopanapalam Yelur. Secured second place in Kho-Kho men category and stood second in football men competitions held at Government College Rajahmundry. Winner of Eenadu cricket tournament held at Guide College Rajahmundry, and this team has gone for state also. Winner of Eenadu tournament held AMC Vizag, bagged athletic men and women overall championship held Anur Sports Events Rajahmundry, and winner of cross country men and women championship held at Adhika Vinana University Rajahmundry, stood in first place badminton women competitions, secured first position in badminton at DNR College Bhimavaram, volleyball men's first place in competitions, and secured first place chess for men held at B.V. Raju College Bhimavaram, won gold medals in karate men and women events held at SKR Women's College Rajahmundry, bagged gold and silver medals in wrestling event men at Adhika Vinana University Rajahmundry, gold and silver medals in judo men held at ASD Women's College Kakinada, won gold and silver medals in boxing men and women categories at SVKP College Penugonda. And these are the achievements by the physical education department. My special congratulations for the in charge of physical education Prasad Garu, and also 2 dynamic physical directors, namely Lakshmi and Vijay. And achievements of NCC Cadet A Kavita from Girls Wing selected and participated in RDC New Delhi 2025. Senior Under Officer B Aruna participated in the 67th National Shooting Champion from AP&T Directorate. 2 cadets from Boys Division and 1 cadet from Girls Wing participated in AITC 2024 New Delhi. 3 cadets from Girls Wing participated in special national camps like trekking at Kerala, trekking camp at Kondavidu, SNIC at Guide Rajahmundry. 2 cadets from Boys Division and Girls Wing participated in EBSB Camp Rajasthan. So 1 girl cadet represented Republic Day parades which will be held at New Delhi. Congratulations the caretaker Dr. Anusha, who made meticulous efforts to send her to the Republic Day presentations and elevate the college at national level. So, and the 7 candidates are being participated to today's RD parades at the state level, Government of Andhra Pradesh. My special congratulations goes to Ravi Teja, who did a meticulous job in training them and send them to state level parades. And also I congratulate Dr. Lieutenant Yusuf Basha for giving continuous support for their NCC students and maintaining discipline and decorum in the campus. An internal quality assurance cell successfully conducted multiple capacity building programs and workshops, online courses for 5-day fundamentals of business and analytics with AI from 5/8/2024 to 9/8/2024. Annual academic audit 2023 was conducted and submitted successfully AQAR 21st January 2025. And special congratulations goes to Dr. A. Annapurna Garu for maintaining a quality education in the college. And Jawahar Knowledge Center, 4 job melas were conducted during the 2025. 24-25. 6 campus drives were conducted so far in this year. 66 companies participated and a total of 1,871 students got selected out of which are 1,362 from our college, and whereas 509 are pass outs from our college. And NSS, it is for the first time 2 NSS students, Ajay Rao Naidu, 3rd BA, JM CPPY, and CH Navya Lakshmi, 2nd BSc Mathematics, got selected for West Zone Pre-RD camp at Maharashtra, KBCMJU, Jalagan. The camp was held from 12/11/2024 to 21/11/2024. Organized various awareness programs and rallies, conducted Swachhata Hai Seva, Fit India, Amrit Kalash Yatra, AIDS awareness program and more. My special thanks goes to the team leader of NSS, Dr. B. Mallikarjuna, for organizing different programs and supporting the candidates to district level authorities. And Skill Training Center organized 39 certificate courses, organized workshop and skill enhancement programs, categorizing and the diversing of the students. Congratulations Dr. Venkatrao Garu for organizing this courses. And Faculty Development Academy, 6 training programs organized, UNESCO Seek and Sell programs, and 4 subject TOTs association with NRC. And congratulations Dr. Nujala Srinivas for organizing these workshops. Women Empowerment Cell Committee organized a national workshop on cancer awareness in collaboration with UGC, MMTTC, Delhi University, celebration of National Women Teachers Day and award ceremony of Best Empowered Women Teacher. Awareness program titled Nenu Meeku Telusa on helpline numbers. Many women empowerment activities under Nari Chetan 2.0 were organized, and shortly we are going to have a collaboration with the district administration. Sankalp is also under Women Empowerment Development, Women Empowerment Cell, and the Honorable Collector Prashanti Madam Garu is going to support the Sankalp program. And congratulations the Women Empowerment Cell and committee members. And Center for International Studies and Research. So one international immersion program was organized with Malaysia with participation of students and faculty. 4 foreign students joined under the meticulous efforts through Center for International Studies and Research. 1 girl student from Zimbabwe, Letitia from BSc Computer Science, 3 boys from Zambia, Elvis and Clement, BSc Renewable Energy, and Mr. Wisdom, BCom Accounting and Taxation. And congratulations the coordinator and liaison officers of this International Studies and Research Center, and especially Dr. Chandrasekhar, HOD Mathematics, and he is a nodal officer, and compliance officer Dr. Nujala Srinivas Garu, and other supporting staff. And this International Studies and Research Center is going to take place very shortly, and Dr. A.V. Raju Garu, who is going to donate generously 5 lakh rupees for construction of Center for International Studies and Research, and the foundation stone also laid, and it is going to be finished within couple of months or so. And the RRC and YRC activities, and this is one of the best supporting wing to the college and our in entire state, and lot of appreciations were received from district and state level for the RRC. A special congratulations to the Raviteja, and they have conducted for the last academic year 21 different meticulous programs. So as a part of that, AP SACS identified our institution as a state best Red Ribbon Club. So, and the award also received by the Raviteja on 1/12/2024. 7 Red Cross volunteers selected for parade at State Republic Day celebrations January 2025. Congratulations. And the library sciences, the Department of Library selected celebrated Library Week, and as a part of the various competitions were conducted. And also the entire government college sector, ours is the first college to introduce RFID for the students and as well as staff members to digitalize our library property, and also entry and exit is monitored through digital codes. So this is one of the great initiative from the institution, and my special congratulations to Dr. Shanmugh, he is in charge of library sciences, and also the assistant librarian Lakshminarayan Garu, who made meticulous efforts to streamline the things, and the IT support Dr. Sunil Kumar Garu has done meticulously to organize this RFID program, and also Mr. Praveen Kumar technical support is also appreciable in this junction. This list summarizes the remarkable achievement and contributions of each department and student support wing towards the holistic development and academic excellence of our college. Though not mentioned in detail, I congratulate all those who have achieved laurels in various fields in the last year and appreciate their efforts. It is our unwavering support and collective efforts and have propelled us forward, enabling us to realize our vision and mission with grace and humility. From pioneering academic initiatives to organizing impactful community outreach programs, each achievement stands as a testament to our collective dedication and perseverance. As we enter into the new chapter of our journey, let us reaffirm our commitment to excellence, inclusivity, and service to humanity. Let us contribute to strive for excellence, guided by the principles of Viksit Bharat and Vasudhaiva Kutumbam, as we work towards building a brighter future our generations to come. To each and every one of you, I extend my heartfelt gratitude and best wishes. Together, let us continue to inspire, innovate, and illuminate the path towards a prosperous and harmonious society. Jai Hind. Thank you.